for people who want to drive really fast, there's drag racing. In drag racing, two cars race on a short road called a drag strip. Green and gold lights called Christmas trees signal the cars to take off, and they do. Wayne Torkelson is a very famous drag racer. He's known for driving a yellow Ford. Wayne's son, Wayne Jr., takes care of his father's car.
What all do you do?
Overall maintenance.
Overall. Do you tear the engine apart too and go?
Yeah, everything and anything. Anything that's wrong, take care of it.
That's great. The car's beautiful.
Thank you.
During his first race on this day, Wayne did not do as well as he expected.
Ooh, and a big burnout for Torkelson.
But later in the day, Wayne had a great race. In fact, he broke the world record, going over 190 miles per hour. That's pretty fast, isn't it? How much do Americans love cars? When American GIs returned home from World War II, stock cars like these became popular. Today, NASCAR racing, NASCAR stands for National Association for Stock Car Auto Racing, is America's most popular spectator sport, more than football, basketball, and baseball. But going fast isn't everything. Looking great is extremely important. People spend a lot of money on custom paint jobs for their cars to make them look scary, fast, and very, very hot. For some people, looks really are everything. Art cars, as they are called, are always attention-grabbing when they drive down the street. Sharks are a popular motif for art car artists.